So hey guys, today I'm gonna make a protein shake. My protein shake that I drink for years now, every single day, and I still love it, I still enjoy it. It's like ice cream, it's like nothing else. I call it the Grand Crescendo, so I'm going to show you how it's done. These are the ingredients. We have whey standard gold protein, we have banana, we have oats, raw oats, milk, like 1.5% fat, and we have syrup. But this, you can actually skip this. If you don't like it, you can actually skip this, there's no problem. Probably I'll skip it just for the sake of the video. So you put two scoops of whey, but actually you have to weigh this because there are sometimes gaps, a lot of gaps in the whey cup like this. And because of that, that's a lot of grams missing. So maybe you're going for 40 grams and like ideally 2 scoops is like 60 grams. So you want this and you put 60 grams of if you want 2 scoops, this is if you want to do exactly this, and I guarantee you this tastes delicious, right? So we have 40 grams over now. You see I put 2 scoops and it's 40 grams, so we're gonna go with more. Like, yeah, we have 62 now, so it's kind of good. So next we're gonna put the oats. So we're gonna reset the scale. We're gonna put some oats in. I usually put 100. Like that's kind of the raw, well, obviously depending on what I eat the whole day for my diet, right? But this is kind of the general rule for me. It's like 100 grams of oats. So there we go, 100 grams. Then we're gonna put the milk. Because I'm a milk lover and I'm gonna put 450 grams because I like a lot of milk in this shake, right? And it's low fat milk, so you can go crazy with it. At least I do, and nothing happens. Maybe for some people, for the first time when you experience this, it's kind of heavy and you're gonna be a little bloated after it. Obviously at 950 calories is gonna make you a little bloated, but those are the oats. Were the oats. Thank God they didn't open when they fell. Okay, so now we're gonna put the banana. I'm obviously unpeeled because you don't want that in there. I mean, you can probably. I didn't try it yet, but I'm not tempted. Maybe I'm going to have to buy another blender after that. So yeah, we're gonna put this in. So the banana is like unpeeled. Obviously it's around, look at that, 152 grams. So that's kind of it. Okay, we don't even have to put the syrup in because I went with vanilla this time, right? So vanilla and chocolate syrup doesn't, I mean, it works super fine with whey double rich chocolate, but I guarantee you this this shake is gonna make your day. I mean, it's gonna keep you full for around 4 hours. Like it's super good. It's easy to make. Like look how much time it took. Obviously at the end of the video I'm gonna show you the macros of the whole shebang, right? And we're gonna just blend it. So this is the final product. I mean, it looks good. Everyone can make this. It's super easy to make. One tip I have for you before I go drink it is that you actually, after you turn, or maybe you have a bigger glass, right? This is the biggest glass I have, so I have to do it in 2 turns. Yeah, 2 tips actually. Don't drink it fast because you're gonna explode. And second of all, clean this right after you put the last drink in. So go wash it quickly, put it in the blender, blend it a little bit, then wash it with some water afterwards, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So we have high amounts of carbs, 123, because of the milk and oats. Low fat, 50 grams, that's okay, and a whole bunch of protein, 78 grams of protein. So yeah, these are the macros. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys.